How to set custom vibration on iPhone. Probably each of us has at least once set a custom ringtone for certain cases. However, did you know that you can do this for vibration as well? If you want to know how, stay until the end of the video and find out how you can do it. To set a custom vibration, open Settings on our phone. When the settings is open, scroll through the options until you find the section Sounds and Haptics. When you find it, tap on it. Here, a list of options will open that you can set and are related to sound and haptics. However, we want to set the vibration for a specific thing. We will give the text tone option in this example. As you can see, you can choose one of the defined sounds. However, if we look a little closer, we will see an option for haptics. It's right at the top. When we open this option, predefined vibrations that we can adjust will be waiting for us. However, if we scroll a little through the options, we will see an option called Custom New Vibration. Tap on it. A window will open where you can create your vibration by tapping on the screen in the rhythm you want the vibration to be made. After that, stop the recording by tapping the stop button located in the lower right corner. Once you've done that, simply tap on the save button in the top right corner, select the vibration name, and tap on the save button. This way you can set a custom vibration for anything. That's all for this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more similar tips, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update from us. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.